This comes in our mind why we take mu2 upon an object, because the image I1 formed by the spherical surface x p1y is acting as an object for the surface p x p2y. Here p1 I1 is the image distance became minus v, and p2 I2 is the object distance. By adding 2 and 3, we get mu1 upon minus u plus mu2 upon v1 is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon r1 minus mu2 upon v1 plus mu1 upon v is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon mu2 mu1 minus mu2 2. Why? The light ray goes from denser to rare medium in the second case. In this case, object here, this is initially at glass and this is air. So, but when the lens formed, this became mu1, this became mu1, and the initial is mu2. So light goes from mu1 to mu2, mu1 to mu2. That's I write mu1 minus mu2 upon r2. By adding minus mu1 upon minus u plus mu2 upon v, mu1 upon v, mu2 minus mu1 upon r1 minus mu2 minus mu1 upon r2. But because we already take the negative in the formula, so we write over here as positive. Because in a formula, we already take the value of image is minus u, so we replace minus u by plus u. Minus mu1 upon u plus mu1 upon v is equal to mu2 minus mu1 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This negative sign comes due to the change. Mu2 minus mu1 is equal to minus mu1 minus mu2. Divide both sides by mu1, 1 upon u, 1 upon v, mu2 upon mu1 minus 1, but mu2 upon mu1 is equal to mu minus 1 upon u, 1 upon v, mu minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2, but 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon minus u plus 1 upon v, 1 upon f is equal to mu minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Hence, this proves the lens maker formula. Here we take minus mu1 upon plus u, we make it change the sign because we already put the sign in the formula. Mu2 upon v1, mu2 minus mu1 upon r1. This is the equation number 2, this is the equation number 3. We add this equation. this terms is cancel out, minus mu1 upon u plus mu2 upon v is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon this, and by dividing mu1 we get minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to mu2 upon mu1 minus 1 bracket close 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2, but mu2 upon mu1 is equal to mu 1 minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to mu minus 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon u. But by Lenz's equation 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon minus u plus 1 upon v, so 1 upon f is equal to mu minus 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon